Students, today's topic is algebraic manipulation. So question is given that a minus b whole square is equal to 50 and the value of ab is equal to 7, and you have to find the value of a square plus b square. So through the identities you have to solve this question. So I will write again three identities: a plus b whole square, and the second identity is equal to a minus b whole square, and the third identity is equal to a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So according to the question you will have to apply the identity. I think you have understood. You will apply this identity a minus b whole square, because you have to find the value of a square plus b a square plus b square. So you will write a minus b whole square. When you will open it, it is equal to a square plus b square minus, because here is minus sign, minus 2ab. The value of a minus b whole square is given in the question. So instead of a minus b whole square you will write 50, and you have to find the value of a square plus b square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab means 2 multiplied by ab, but over there the value of ab is given, which is equal to 7. So 2 and ab, value of ab is equal to 7. Instead of ab you will write 7. So 50 is equal to a square plus b square minus 14, or you can write a square plus b square minus 14 is equal to 50, because both the sides are equal, so you can write like this. So a square, you are finding the value of a square plus b square. Minus 14 is here, on the other side it becomes plus 14. So 50 plus 14. So value of a square plus b square is equal to 50 plus 14 is equal to I think so 4. 5 plus 1 6, 64 is the answer. This is a solution of the question which is given in the start. So I hope you have understood the concept well. So some more examples I will do in the next video. I will explain another question.